Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how I made this delicious pepper turkey. If you want to see how I made it, then let's get started. Here I have my cleaned turkey wings. I'm going to add some chopped onions. I chopped this with my mini chopper, and I'll add some chopped peppers as well. I'll season with some garlic and ginger paste. I'll also add some dried thyme, oregano, white pepper, curry powder, chicken bouillon powder, and finally some bay leaves. I'll give this all a mix until everything is combined. If you have time in hand, I recommend you marinate it. But since I'm not going to be marinating it, I'll cover and let it steam for about 10 minutes in its own juices. Notice how I did not add any water. This will help it release its own juices and also suck from all the delicious herbs I've added. So I'm going to add water now, just enough to cook it and for me to get some stock because I'm making rice out of the stock. Not too much because I don't want to water it down. I want it to be super concentrated. I'll cover this and let it cook for another 20 minutes. You know it's turkey. You want to keep an eye on it. While that is cooking, I'll proceed to prepare the peppers. So I have bell peppers, habanero pepper, some scallions, this is green onions, and white onions. The yellow pepper is just there because I don't want it to waste. There's no special reason why I have that. As you can see, I've gone ahead to chop this using the mini chopper and I chopped it roughly, not smoothly. At this point, the turkey is ready. I'll take it out and the next stage is frying. So if you want, you could air fry this, roast it in the oven, but I'm deep frying it in oil because I'm actually making this for someone and they asked that it be deep fried. Personally, I love to use air fryer because it saves me a lot of time. So I'm adding onion to the oil to flavor the oil, and then I'll proceed to fry this on both sides. You guys, this is not the time to call a friend or watch telenovela. You want to keep an eye on it because I'm frying it on medium high heat, and if you leave it for too long, it's going to over fry and dry out or even burn. So this took about 15 minutes. The other side took about 5 minutes to fry. Once one side is fried, the other side fries pretty easily and quickly. So I'm going to take it all out and fry the next batch. Once that is done, I'll filter the oil, that is take out all of these bits of onions and the spices, and then reduce it just enough to fry the peppers. Tell me, are you one of those that eat your meat while you're frying this? Because this looks absolutely tempting. It's time to fry the pepper sauce. Remember, this is pepper turkey. So I've reduced the oil and I've added some chopped onions, dried thyme, curry powder. I'm going to saute this for about 3 minutes until the onion becomes fragrant. Then I'll go in with the chopped peppers from earlier. If you want this pepper to fry faster, you can drain it in your colander. You know the colander with the fine mesh? It will help get rid of the moisture in it and fry faster. Now I'm going to add some smoked paprika for color and flavor. Then I'll season with some chicken bouillon. Once this fries for about 5 to 10 minutes, you can go ahead and taste and adjust the seasoning if need be. I will not be covering this because I want it to really fry and not boil. So I left it for about 15 minutes and this is what I have. I don't want it to be super dry. I want the moisture to rehydrate that turkey so it becomes super juicy and succulent. Now I'm gonna go in with all of the turkey. You guys, the turkey is a lot, but I managed and found my way around it. Can you see that the pepper is really done? The oil has begun to flow out of it. So in the beginning, it will look like there's no so much oil, but when it fries, the oil would float up. And that is another magic of a non-stick pot like this one. So you guys, if you have not liked this video yet, please hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel, because as you can see, I've got amazing recipes right here and there is still more to come. Once I get all of the turkey peppered, I'll leave it for about 5 minutes, and you guys, the turkey is done. If you want to see how I made turkey stew or chicken stew, please check the caption, but I'm also going to link the chicken stew to this video. I'll top it up with some green onions just for color, and you guys, it is done. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate you all. Don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.